Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss on how to illustrate union and intersection of sets and the difference of two sets. Okay, this is lesson 3 about set. Okay, before we are going to start, let us first check your learning with regards to the previous lesson. Okay, identify if each statement is true or false. Okay, given the universal set contains the element of counting numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, number 1, the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, true or false? Okay, yes, it's true because all the elements of this set are also the element of the universal. Okay. Next, number 2. This is a set of even numbers from 2 to 10. Okay. Is a subset of the universal. The answer is true. Yes, it's because this is a subset because all of these elements are also here in the universal set. So this set is a subset of the universal. Okay, number 3, set contains the element 0, 10 is a subset of U. So what is the answer? Okay, it's false. This is not a subset because 0 is not the element of the universal set. Alright? Okay, number 4, empty set is a subset of U. Okay, the answer is true because an empty set or a null set can be a subset of any set. Alright, number 5, the cardinality number of set U is 10. What is the answer? Yes, it's true because the number of elements of the universal here is 10. So the cardinal number is 10. So I hope guys you're able to get perfect score in this activity. Okay? So let us now proceed. So this activity guys, I want you to answer this one after watching the video. Right? So in arithmetic operation class, we are dealing with the 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, if you're dealing with sets, there are also what we call operations. Okay? So, these are the set operations. So, we have 3. Namely, we have the union, intersection, and the difference. The symbol for union, guys, is it looks like capital letter U. Okay? Its definition is the set containing all elements that are in set A or in set B. So, meaning to say, guys, it is a combination of all the elements of the two sets A and B. Alright? Then, we have here another operation, intersection. So, it is a reverse symbol of the union. Its definition, the set that consists of all elements that are both in set A and B. So, meaning to say, there are elements in set A that is also an element of set B. Meaning, there are common elements in both sets. Right. Then lastly, we have difference. So we are very familiar on this. So of course, the symbol we have here, subtraction. Its definition is a set of elements in A that are not in set B. Okay? So we will be able to understand further more, no? By our examples here. Okay. Union of sets. The union of sets A and B written in this symbol. Okay? and this is being read as the union of set A and B. Is the set of elements that are members of set A or members of set B or members of both set A and set B. Alright, example. So, if set A contains the element of 1, 2, 3, and set B contains the element of 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we will combine all the elements, okay, in order for us to have a union of sets. Alright, so first we have 1. Okay, so we only need to write 1, the element which is 1, one at a time. Okay, you could still remember in our previous lesson. Then, so with 2. Then we have 3. Then we have 4. We have 5. And we have 6. So, all elements are now in this set. Okay, this is now the union of sets A and B. Okay, so this is a symbol. Okay, so if I'm going to read this one, this is union of sets A and B contains the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, next. If set A contains the element of A, B, C, D, E, and set B contains the element of A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now let us combine all the elements. Okay, we have here A, then B, then C, then we have D, we have E, then we have I, we have O, we have U. Okay, so all elements are in this set already. Okay, this is now the union of sets A and B. Alright, another example. If set A contains the element of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and set B contains the element of Saturday, Sunday. Okay, again, we need to combine all the elements. Okay, so this is now the union of sets A and B. Okay, from Monday until Sunday. Okay, so we have 7 elements. Right, so let us continue. Okay, so intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets, A and B, written in this symbol. Okay, and this is being read as the intersection of sets A and B. Okay, is the set of all elements common to both sets A and B. Alright, example. If set A contains the element of 1, 2, 3, and set B contains the element of 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, then the intersection of sets A and B is, we have 1, so we also have 1 in set B. Then we have 2, we also have 2 in set B. So there are 2 common elements in both sets. So this is now the intersection of sets A and B. Alright? So next, if set A contains the element of A, B, C, D, E, and set B contains the element of A, E, I, O, U, then the common elements of these two sets are, we have A, then we have E. Okay, so there are only 2 common elements. So this is now the intersection of sets A and B. Alright? Okay, so let us now proceed to number 3. If set A contains the element Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and set B contains the element Saturday, Sunday, okay, then, okay, we do not have a common element of both sets. Alright, so there is no Monday and set B, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and set B. So there is no common at all. So meaning to say that the intersection of sets A and B is empty, or null set. Alright? Now, let us talk about difference of two sets. The difference of set A and B written as or written in this symbol. Okay? So the difference of sets A and B is a set of elements in A that are not in set B. Okay? So example here. If set A contains the element 1, 2, 3, and set B contains the element 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, then the difference of set A and B is 3. Okay. Now, let us try to check. Okay, 1. Set A here, we have 1. We have also 1 and B. Then, 2, we have also 2 and B. Then, 3. So, we do not have 3 in set B. So, that means the element 3 in set A are not in set B. So, therefore, the difference of set A and B is 3. Alright? While the difference of set B and A, okay, so 4 is not in the set A, then 5 is also not in set A, then 6 is also not in set A. So this is now the difference of set B and A. Okay? Now number 2. If set A contains the element A, B, C, D, E, and set B contains the element A, E, I, O, U, then the difference of set A and B, okay, we have B, C, D. Why? It's because B, this element is not in set B, and C also is not in set B, then D also is not in set B. Okay, so that's why this is the difference of set A and B. Alright? Now, let's do the reverse. The difference of set B and A. Okay? So, we're going to find out what are those elements in set B that are not in set A. So, this is it. So, I here is not in set A. Then O is not in set A. Then U is not in set A. So, this is now the difference of sets A, B, and A. Okay? Now, another example. If set A, we have contains the element of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And B, we have Saturday, Sunday. Okay, then the difference of set A and B is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's because these elements are not in set B. Alright? Again, these elements are not in set B. So this is now the difference of set A and B. Okay? Now, if we're going to do the reverse, the difference of set B and set A is Saturday, Sunday. Because these elements are not in set A. Alright? Again, these elements are not in set A. So this is now the difference between the two. Okay. So thank you guys. I hope you learned something. And please subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified for the latest video updates.